Need to remove PDFsam Basic from your computer. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, switching to another PDF editor, or simply no longer need the application, uninstalling PDFsam Basic only takes a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall PDFsam Basic in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure PDFsam Basic is completely closed. If the application is still running, exit it before beginning the uninstall process. If it isn't responding, you can use Task Manager to close it. Next, open the Windows Settings app and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. If you're using an older version of Windows, you may see Apps and Features instead. From there, you'll be able to manage the software installed on your computer. Use the search box or scroll through the list until you find PDFsam Basic. If you have several PDF applications installed, searching is usually the fastest option. Click the three-dot menu next to PDFsam Basic or select the application directly, then choose Uninstall. Confirm the prompt and follow the uninstall wizard until the process is complete. After the uninstall finishes, restart your computer. This helps remove any remaining temporary files and completes the uninstall process. It's a quick step that's worth doing before installing another version or a different PDF application. Finally, check your Start menu or Installed Apps list to confirm that PDFsam Basic has been removed. So, if the application no longer appears, the uninstall was successful. And that's how to uninstall PDFsam Basic. Whether you're reinstalling the latest version or moving to different software, removing the application is a straightforward process. Taking a minute to verify the uninstall helps ensure everything was removed correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.